welcome back to the channel, where today we're embarking on the start of another project for this channel. Now, before you say anything, no, we haven't forgotten about the MK1 Golf. That is an ongoing project. It's nearly finished. There's still a bit to do. It was meant to be a winter project. Things escalated a lot, and we're still working on that car. We're now in the summer. Well, kind of. It's raining outside, but that's England. However, on sunnier news, we have got ourselves a proper M car in the bay to play with. Now, we've got some big plans for this car, but before we can get into any of those, we need to get it cleaned up. So to do that, we need to get it down our bay, get it washed, get it deconned, then we're going to get it back in here and show you what we're dealing with. Let's go. So here we are then. The car has had a deep clean, 3-stage decon. We've done shuts, we've done engine bay, we've cleaned the wheels a little bit, but we do plan to change those, and those we will talk to you about our plans for the car, so you'll understand why we're changing those later on. But for now, the car's cleaned, so we can have a look at the paintwork. To start with, you can see this bonnet's definitely had some paint in its time. There's some bird etching there as well. So you can also see a bit of a blend up here and a horrible repair. We've got some lacquer peeling up here, nothing we can do with that. The sides, it's pretty straight, it's just not in the best of condition. I think it's had a bit of a hard life. You can see the paintwork is not looking its best. I did have a little play with some polishes here earlier on. I just wiped it down, tried a single step. You can still kind of see the results from that. Not great. We have clayed it and done other bits and bobs with it, and we're not too gentle when we're doing the deep cleans. We're not too worried about being really delicate with the paint, because anything we would put in would be very minor compared to what we're going to take out to get these marks out anyway. But overall, pretty happy with it. It's an honest example. If it's not the cleanest, it's honest, so it gives us something to play with. We'll come on to our further plans later on, but for now we're going to get the machine polishers plugged in, get some compounds and pads out, have a play around, see what gets the result we want, and we'll show you every step of the way. Let's go. So we've checked the paintwork, we've had a look at what we're dealing with. It's not great, and you can probably tell from behind me, we've tried all sorts. We're now on the wall pad on a rotary, just to get to the bottom of those deep marks. Now, usually on something like this, with what we've got planned with it, we wouldn't go that far, but there's so many deep marks in this car. If we don't, it's not gonna look like we've done anything with it, and that's no good. So detailing, if you're gonna do a job, you've got to do it right. So I'm gonna carry on cracking through it with a wall pad. I'm finding that I can refine it down just with a two-step, so I can do the wall for the cut, and then I can use a medium compound, slow it right down at the end, and I'm getting a good finish. So hopefully we can just two-step it, wall, then a medium foam, medium compound, break it all the way down, and show you some finished results. I've had an idea.